So the next topic is order. Order of a differential equation. It is very simple definition. Order of a differential equation. Suppose this is a differential equation. So order of a differential equation is it is the highest derivative. It is the highest derivative. It is the highest derivative involving in the equation. So here the highest derivative is second derivative. So order of this differential equation is 2. Okay, so it is the highest derivative involving in a differential equation. So here the order is 2, and for example there is equation is like this: dy by dx whole cube plus d square y by dx square equal to 5. So just guess that what is the order of this differential equation. Again, this dy by dx whole cube. So focus on this one. Again, this is the, again here the order is 2. Here again the order is 2. So just remember that it is the highest derivative. Okay, what is order of a differential equation? We will use it in future work. So it is the highest derivative involving in the differential equation. Okay, now the degree is again related with this, not a big definition. Degree of a differential equation. It is the power slash exponent. It is the power or exponent of the highest derivative. Free from radical. This is very important. Free from radicals. Okay, it is the highest. It is the power or exponent of the highest derivative, which is free from radical. Degree of differential equation, just I told you degree of a differential equation. It is the power or exponent of the highest derivative free from radical. So just I am writing some examples. The examples are dy by dx plus d square y by dx square plus sin x equal to 4. Another example, dy by dx square 1 by 2 plus dy by dx equal to cos x. So the degree of this differential equation, let this is equation number 1. The degree of this differential equation, we just focus on what is the highest, what is the order or what is the highest derivative. Here the highest derivative is d square divided by dx square. So you will take the power of this, the exponent of this, not the exponent of this. Okay, because dy by dx is not the highest derivative. So this is the highest derivative and its power is 1. So here its degree is 1. Just I defined it. Degree of a differential equation, it is the power or exponent of the highest derivative. Okay, so now in this equation search the highest derivative. Okay, here the highest derivative is again this one. The second order is the highest derivative. So now what is the exponent? What is the exponent? Just I told you that it should be free from radicals. It should be free from fraction. So first of all, we should remove this fraction. Okay, how we remove that? Squaring both sides. So if we taking squaring both sides, so it will be dy by dx square. So you will get 1. Okay, so here the degree of this differential equation is again 1. The degree is again 1. Okay, just remember these two things. One is order and one is degree. Just learn that the definition, that what is order, what is degree of a differential equation, and it hit as in that much uses in this differential equation. So this topic is, this simple definition has been finished.